Okay, so ran out of fuel just then. The ET1 only ran for 25-30 minutes, but remember I have the extra governor spring on the other side, so it's running about 2,400 RPM instead of 1250 like I had it set with just the weak spring. And then the ethanol uses a needle setting above 1/2 turn, or about a half turn, and on gasoline it runs about an 1/8 turn or less, so it has to suck a lot more fuel on the denatured alcohol, and it was running a lot faster. So yeah, next thing is going to be double checking the wiring in my generator box, and then I guess I have to tune this a little more tightly to get it to run under load, so I might switch to the ETX for the generator testing that way, and see if the ETX is a little more reliable on this right now. But that'll be the end for today, and we'll see what happens next time I try this.